that's different for Mac here is just doing the initial setup and installation here. So if I click Start Recording for Free, Launch Free Recorder, then now that it's recognized I don't have it, I can click Get Recorder Launcher. That'll download this. And the different ways you install Mac software, if you're new to Mac, it might be a little bit confusing here, but we've now got that installer, and I can double click that to open. And while most of Mac software you install by just dragging it to your applications folder, this is going to be one that's a little bit different because it has this little like package icon. This is a launcher setup, so we just double click it and it's a little bit more like a Windows installer where again, just like some of the other software you have to say yes, you're sure you want to open this. It's okay, so click open. And then it'll bring up this sort of nice easy screen where it'll says screen recorder ready, and then go back to the web page to start recording. So now it's done, launched that sort of screen recorder and everything like that, and now it's all basically the same as the Windows version. You can click Launch Free Recorder. You'll have to give it permission. You could always allow it. That's probably useful. That'll help you. And then click Open Screen Recorder Launcher, and then it'll give you that same again. You got to just keep clicking Open, keep allowing Launch. And you'll be able to set it up exactly the same as on Windows. It's really the exact same app. It'll update and launch, and it'll be that same sort of menu bar off to the side here. So here it is over on my screen. You've got to give it permissions. So Screen Recorder Launcher would like to access your microphone, so click OK. Give it permission to your microphone. And then now that you've got this here, you've got the screen, the webcam, both. You can make this full screen. And again, just sort of follow along all the same steps as in the Windows video from here on out. Click Record, have it record your screen, and it should work sort of exactly the same as the Windows version. All right.